Now it's gone because I killed it. No, this is at the very beginning. It's somewhere over here. Horsey, no! Yeah, Horsey, I missed you. Can you do fart? Yeah. Best farts. Doesn't even matter. Oh, look at the cat down below. Right? So she never freezes. Do a backflip. Yeah. How is the Call of Duty game?
That is so...
No idea what I'm doing. So I guess we just need to... I want to find that golden dude. Or the alpacas over there with the horses. Oh my god, I hate them. Like anything else. Like normal areas that are not gonna be a part of the DLC. Oh, I killed you. Yeah, that's what you get. You disgusting. Oh, I wasn't doing enough damage because I wasn't holding it with two hands. Gotcha. Stupid. Remember the people how annoying. Yeah. Let's go. I seen
No, 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 no.
Why people could not play this game. This game is right. And yeah, the game is really, really good. It's great. Story-wise, everything is amazing. It's so detailed. It's so well made. But yeah, it's not a scary game. It's not creepy. It's just really difficult to play. Unless you make yourself a nice build. Get yourself some really nice weapons, attachments to those weapons, a summon that is gonna steal your kills, because... Oh my god, there's the other one! Come here! Come here, you book! What scared you? Mimi is in jail for stealing. How do I... Oh my god, the controls are so different. Mimi. Ew. You guys like Mimi? She deserves this. Poor Mimi. Have you seen her? Oh god. Oh my god. Hello. Not doing a lot of Are we? Huh? Mimi's the summon. It's called Mimic because it's literally it has the same attacks. It does the same thing. Yeah, that's why you don't like Mimi. You guys are crushing over Mimi, which is literally Mimi, so... Have Elden Ring with you? What do you mean? Mimi doesn't steal. Mimi carries. You stole my kill. Do you have a kiss from the evil twin?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
All the middle ones, no. Also, why am I dressed like this? Can someone tell me? No, I'm eating.
Hmm? Hmm?
What the hell? Thank God I don't make that much money. Oh,
I owed him up.
I don't look bad.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh!
Huh? I owed him up.
Did not finish off everyone. That's what I said. I gotta go. Make them suffer.
I owed him up.
Okay. Audrey is here with me. You're going to
Quack. Quack.
I think maybe in the summer I built Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Have I been here? I cannot open